Time's up.
Hey everybody, Casey Ferris here. I'm gonna be your host for our biggest training title ever, Resolve 17 End to End. This is an absolutely massive class where we create a film from scratch together. Every step of post-production is here, from the first clip in the timeline to hitting that beautiful render button. We're talking editing, visual effects, color correction, sound design, everything. If you want to learn how to get things done in Resolve, this course is for you. We start with a folder of media and a completely empty project, and I'll walk you through my process of editing a film one step at a time. We'll learn workflow tips, slick ways of solving problems, and dive deep into the most essential features of DaVinci Resolve. You'll learn the basics of every page, and then we'll put those skills to work on a real short film. You're free to follow my every move or create your own masterpiece. We brainstormed what the most useful, practical training would be for beginners and the most satisfying content for advanced users, and we built our dream course from the ground up. The course comes with over 18 hours of video training, along with project files, unedited media, royalty-free sound effects, and visual effects assets that you can use to build your skills and master DaVinci Resolve. If you want to learn advanced workflow in Resolve and make your own beautiful projects, there is no better way to learn, period. It's Resolve 17 End to End, available now at groundcontrol.film.